what we have here is two coaxial cables. One is meant to be used indoors, so the white cable. The other one's meant to be, it can be used indoors as well, and outdoors, which is the black cable. The difference is that the white cable is not UV resistant. I oftentimes do hear that customers would prefer the white cable for the exterior, but I do let them know that it's not UV resistant, so they might have to change it out within a year or so. The main purpose of the coaxial cable is to transfer data from one end to the other. Now, the main issues that I've seen in the field is because these connectors have been improperly installed. So today what I'm going to do is show you real quick how to properly install one. We're going to start off with a few tools. We're going to need an RG6 prep tool, side cutters, compressor tool, and a connector. Keep in mind, it is important to get a quality tool, such as the prep tool. You don't want one that is going to be adjustable, and you're going to soon find out why, as I demonstrate later on. As well as the proper connector, a good connector, and a good compressor tool. Okay, so we're going to start with grabbing our RG6 prep tool, and then grabbing one side of the cable, insert it, and make sure that this part is flush, and then all you do is kind of squeeze it a little bit, go back and forth on it, and then what you should see is this end coming off, and so now you have it like this. The next step is to simply pull the braiding back all the way so that we're able to place the connector on it, like so. Once you're done with that, then just simply grab the connector, insert it. Gotta have a little bit of finesse into it. Don't try to force it in. Gently go in there, and then make sure that the white part is flush. I don't know if you can see it with the inside of it, the connector. Once you're done with that, then you just simply grab the compressor tool, insert it, squeeze, and now you're done with this connector here. You're going to notice that the copper piece is sticking out a little bit. The reason for that is because when it gets hot, when it gets cold, it kind of contracts. So you give that little wiggle room so that when it's connected to the other side, the other end of it, a connector or something like that, then it's still going to be functioning correctly. So you're still going to have that proper contact. That's the main reason for that. And so that's all it is to that. Not that bad. The more practice that you have, the better you'll be at it.
Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you were able to learn from it. Please like and subscribe so that it'll help my channel out. I will be posting more videos in the future. Until then, bye!